3 things about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 that I love. First thing, it shoots 4K 60 video. This is a tiny camera. Literally, it fits in your pocket. And the fact that it can shoot 4K 60 is crazy. Right now, I'm shooting in 4K 60. The Canon M50 shoots 4K 24 frames a second and does not match this at all. I don't know how many people are into using like 4K and all that, but it's nice to have that option. Although I don't really film in it much because these files are huge. Just for like, a couple minute file, it could be multiple gigabytes. That's number 1, 4K 60. Number 2, the gimbal. I mean, that's pretty self-explanatory. One of the gripes with, shooting with the M50 is that it never had any, in-body stabilization, which is understandable and more entry level. This is a, beginner camera, more centered around vlogs, and it has a gimbal. I'm like moving around my arms a lot, and nice and smooth video. Too bad this park is an hour away from where I live. It's a little out of the way, let's just say that. And last but not least, my favorite thing about the DJI Osmo Pocket is the Creator Combo. It comes with this like nice, nifty little bag here. You open it up, it comes with all these additional accessories in the Creator Combo, which are like actually very, very helpful. So first of all, it comes with the tripod / like tripod attachment that you see here. So it's crazy. I just had this on. I can plug it back in. Boom, just like that. And we're good to go. And it fits all in here. You also additionally get this like battery grip. So this doubles as a grip, but then also you can charge your DJI Osmo Pocket for like maybe at least another hour worth of battery. I don't know. I don't really pay attention, but definitely extends a lot. Additionally, it comes with USB-C to USB-C cable, lanyard or loop, whatever. I should probably put this on. Puffball thingy for the mic, and just like it has like little pockets here for like micro SD card reader. Just slides inside there. The Creator Combo also comes with the fisheye lens. So this right here is the fisheye lens. Comes with the Creator Combo, and then last but not least, comes with this like magnet for the mic. Speaking of the mic, over here, and I think this mic alone makes the investment very worth it, because especially when you're vlogging, you want to have some great audio, and this wireless mic that comes with the Creator Combo comes in clutch. Like audio is great. It connects to the camera like super easy, and it has this magnet thing. So like if you want to connect it and put it on your shirt, this is the magnet. You put it on the inside, and you can connect it to your shirt, which is great. It's in the name. It's the Creator Combo. So if you're a creator, you kind of want everything inside one small package, this is it. They also sell like these additional filters. So this here is some ND filters for the lens here. So yeah, this is what the bag looks like. Like I mentioned earlier, it has like a little slot here for the SD card reader. So I have it here. It just fits nicely inside there. And you have that other pocket. It holds the that magnet for the mic. There's the fisheye lens, and then just some extra storage spot. This is where I keep that puffy thingy. These 2 slots. This is for the tripod attachment, and then one for the mic. And then the battery goes right. The battery grip goes here, and then the tripod. I can show you because I can detach it. The tripod goes in on top like that, and then obviously this extra spot here is for the camera itself. So all that to say, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is probably my favorite camera thus far. If you're a creator and you just want to make videos and start creating videos, this is a great option. It's a little pricey, but it's a great option. Like, seriously. Like, if you want to just get into making videos, vlogs, start a YouTube channel, I think this is a very, very, very solid camera to use. And like the other 2 things I mentioned earlier, it shoots 4K 60 for those who want it. And that's a gimbal. What else more could you need to create? So yeah, hopefully this was helpful to you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.